But what if I told you that you could actually claim the entire 12 GB of RAM on your Pixel 10, all for yourself? Sounds awesome, right? But there's a catch. If you do this, you'll have to live with slightly slower AI features. So, should you do it? Let's break it down. The Pixel 10 is already a beast with its Tensor G5 chip, 6.3-inch crazy bright OLED screen, and a camera system powered by Google's top-tier AI. Normally, some of that 12 GB RAM is reserved so the phone's AI can work its magic in the background. Faster photo editing, smarter notifications, and that signature Google snappiness. But maybe you want to run more apps, or you're a gamer who wants every last gigabyte for buttery smooth performance. You can actually tweak your Pixel 10 settings using a hidden developer option to free up more RAM for your own use. It's not hard. Just dive into settings, enable developer mode, find the RAM efficiency toggle, and switch it off. Boom, more memory for you, but some AI features might take a little longer to kick in. So who should try this? If you're all about multitasking, gaming, or just love to push your phone to the limit. But if you rely on Google's speedy AI tricks, like instant photo edits or fast voice processing, you might want to leave things as they are. Bottom line, you can unlock the full 12 GB of RAM on the Pixel 10, but you'll trade a bit of that AI superpower for pure raw memory. It's all about what matters most to you. Try it out, see how your Pixel 10 feels, and see if you notice the difference.